YouTube family, welcome to my kusina. My name is Roslyn, your friend in the kitchen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Mexican dish called chicken green enchiladas with a twist. Yes, with a twist because I'm going to make it more nutritious. I'm going to put zucchini and spinach in it. So I have lots of leftover ingredients that suitable for making the green enchiladas. So this is my leftover roasted chicken. So I peel off the skin because when it comes to roasted chicken or fried chicken, I like more, I like the chicken wings or thighs. I don't like the chicken breast. So I also have leftover coriander. I also have leftover green spring onions, leftover sour cream from my keto diet recipe a few days ago, and my cheese. It's been sitting in my fridge for, I don't know, it's been 3 months, I think. Yeah, but it's still good, so I don't want to waste. I also choose the sun-dried tomato wraps for a change. So by the way, it's already washed. So I'm going to put the seeds as well to make it more spicy. Make it spicier. So this is the zucchini. It's just tiny. This is a small size of zucchini, guys. So you can chop it finely, or you can grate it, or cut into fine strips. Let's start the cooking. I don't know what happened to my pot. It's burning. Okay, 1 tablespoon. This is for our sauce, and also, oops, you see, it's burning. So this is for our sauce. Let's fry. our sauce is simmering and becomes thicker a little bit. So I'm gonna add in a handful of coriander leaves and the sprigs. And we season it with pepper. Don't forget to taste it. Okay, so simmer it for 3 minutes and I think it's ready. So for the meantime, this is our chicken. Okay, we season it with salt. Let's put our chopped zucchini. Let me put a tiny bit of oil in there because it's so dry. Alright, so I think our sauce is ready. Let's turn it off. Okay guys, so let's add in some of the spring onions. So I'm gonna put some of the coriander leaves. Alright, so let's transfer it in a bowl because we're going to wrap. Put cheese, then wrap it. Okay, I usually fold this end, both ends, so that no mess. Okay, and then we put in our baking dish. You can, put butter in your baking dish or oil, something like that, but it's okay for me with, I don't want to put oil or butter in it, but usually I do. Cheese. So I'm using the triple cheddar cheese. So guys, I'm just using the leftover cheese. So I'm not sure whether I have enough cheese for toppings later. Oops. Cheddar. is our enchiladas. So guys, when it comes to it's ready to put in the oven, so it's totally up to you whether you want to be like toast a little bit. So you have to bake it for maybe 10 minutes before putting the sauce on top and then put in the oven again. So but this time I'm on a rush and it's really late for me. So if you want your wraps to be crispy or toasted a little bit, just put it in the bake it first for 10 minutes before putting your sauce on top. So but this time I'm on a rush. I'm gonna put the sauce on top straight away and bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. So let's put our sauce on top. Guys, our oven is ready, so we're gonna put our enchiladas in. We're gonna bake it for 15 to 20 minutes or until your cheese melts. Okay guys, so my green chicken enchiladas is ready. It's ready to eat. So I'm gonna eat this with guacamole. Yum guys, yummy. So 2 enchiladas are very filling for me, or at least I ate 1.5 actually guys, but this time eat 2 because I'm starving guys. So let's put guacamole at the side of our, or you can put it on top. That's my guacamole. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe to my channel here, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to get updated from my upcoming videos. So we hope you like the video for you tonight, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching.